Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us do a simple papaya pudding. This has very less ingredient but will taste so good. Give a try. For this we need half of a medium sized papaya. Remove the skin, chop it and add into the mixie jar. To this add juice of half a lemon and quarter cup of condensed milk. We are going to grind this into a fine paste. Usually when you grind papaya with milk and keep it outside for some time, it will become thick. Here we have used condensed milk and lemon. Both have capacity to make papaya so thick. So here papaya mixture is ready. Now let us transfer it into a mold. If you don't have mold, you can very well use a bowl. We are going to refrigerate this for 1 hour. You don't need to freeze, just refrigerate this. This is ready now. We can take it out of the mold. This will be very nice when you serve chill. Thank you for watching. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.